Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about compound ratio and applications of proportion. Already before video what is meant by proportion and how to check the given numbers are in proportion or not. సో ఒకవేళ ఆ వీడియో చూడకపోతే కనుక డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కానీ ఐకార్డ్లో కానీ ఒకసారి ఇస్తాను, అది చూడండి. నౌ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ కాంపౌండ్ రేషియో. Now what is meant by compound ratio? Compound ratio means suppose take two or more ratios, take A is to B and C is to D. Take the compound ratio means the product of all first terms of the all ratios. Now what are the first terms here? A, here first term is C. That's why in the case of compound ratio, the numerator will be the product of the all first terms in the all given ratios. Now here what are the first term? A and C. That's why A into C divided by. Now in the denominator, product of all second terms in the all ratios. Now what are the second terms here? B and D. That's why in the denominator take the product of the all second terms in the all given ratios. B and D. That's why B into D. Now what is the compound ratio here? AC by BD. This is the compound ratio of given two ratios. Suppose given three terms. Suppose given three ratios at a time. Suppose given A is to B, C is to D and E is to F. So now what is the compound ratio of these all three ratios? Compound ratio means the product of all first terms in the given ratios. Now what is the first term? A, second first term C, here first term E. That's why A into C into E. By now what are the second terms in the given ratio? What is the second term here? B. In the C is to D, D is the second term. In E is to F, what is the second term? F. That's why the product of all second terms in the given ratios. Now this product will be ACE by BDF. So this is the compound ratio. Compound ratio means the product of all first terms in the given ratios divided by the product of all second terms in the given ratio. Now take one example. Here find the compound ratio of 8 is to 2, 2 is to 1 and 9 is to 3. Now what is meant by compound ratio? The product of all first terms in the given ratios. What is the first term? 8, 2 and 9. That's 8 into 2 into 9 numerator. By what are the second terms in the given ratios? 2, 1 and 3. That's 2 into 1 into 3. Now 2 ones, 2 fours. Next one, 3 ones, 3 threes. Now 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. 24, 1 ones are 1. That's why 24 is to 1 is the compound ratio of the given ratios. Now check applications of proportion problems. First of all, here if 36 is to 81 is as x is to 63, then find the value of x. Already ఈ సింబల్ కోసం మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. This symbol indicates is as or as, means these two ratios are in proportion. If two ratios are in proportion, then the product of extremes is equal to product of means. So here what are the given ratios? 36 is to 81 is as x is to 63. But this symbol indicates these two ratios are in proportion. Proportion means product of extremes is equal to product of means. That's why product of means is equal to product of extremes. What are the means here? 81 into x is equal to extremes 36 into 63. Now find the value of x here. but 81 is multiplying with x. That's why this 81 transfer to RHS side. That term transfer to RHS side, divide the RHS terms. That's why here x is equal to 36 into 63 by 81. Now ninth table, 9 9s are 81, 9 7s are 63. Again 9 1s are 9 4s are. So next one 4 into 7, 28. That's why the value of x will be 28. సో ఈ సింబల్ ఏంటంటే సింబల్ అనేది మనకి ప్రపోర్షన్ ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుంది. సో టూ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ప్రపోర్షన్ మీన్స్ దీస్ టూ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సో టూ రేషియోస్ ఆర్ ప్రపోర్షన్ మీన్స్ these two ratios values are equal. In the case of proportion, product of extremes is equal to product of means. Otherwise, product of means is equal to product of extremes. So, our concept use chesi indlo unknown value x undi kada, x ni manam ila find out chestam. Now take one more example. Here 36 is to x is as x is to 16. Find the value of x. Is as means both ratios are in proportion. That's why 36 is to x is as x is to 16. These two ratios of proportion means product of means and product of extremes. Now what are the product of means? X and x. That's why x into x is equal to product of extreme means 36 into 16. So x into x means x square. Now 36 into 16. Now x square. So this x square converted into RHS side, that is the square root. That's x is equal to the square root of 36 into 16. 36 can written as 6 into 6. 16 means 4 into 4. That's why take 1 6. 1 6 into take 1 4 from the square root. So x is equal to 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. That's why the value of x is equal to 64. So ఈ కేసులో ఇక్కడ x both are equal ఉంటే కనుక ఈ కేసులో ఓన్లీ 3 టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ప్రపోర్షన్ అన్నమాట. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి 36 and x, 16. So in this case 36 x 16 all are in proportion. So మనకి 4 టర్మ్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఓన్లీ 3 టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఈ మిడిల్ వన్ ఏమవుతుందంటే మీన్ ప్రపోర్షన్ అవుతుంది. అందుకోసం ఈ మిడిల్ వన్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్స్ 2 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఏ మీన్ ప్రపోర్షన్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ మీన్ ప్రపోర్షన్, ద మీన్ ప్రపోర్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ టర్మ్స్ అన్నమాట. సో చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి 36 into 16 square root of extreme terms product. Now take one more example. Here 25, 35, x are in proportion. Then find the value of x. సో ఇప్పటివరకు మనకి ఏంటంటే 4 నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చేవారు. సో 4 నెంబర్స్ అంటే 2 రేషియోస్ ఇచ్చి దే ఆర్ ప్రపోర్షన్ అనేవారు అనమాట. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ 3 టర్మ్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇందా చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా 3 టర్మ్స్ ఇస్తే కనుక మిడిల్ వన్ అనేది 2 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. దట్స్ వే హియర్ 25, 35, again 35 and x all are in proportion. So here proportion means product of extremes is equal to product of means. Now what are the extremes? 25 into x is equal to 35 into 35. Now find the value of x. X is equal to the 25 multiply చేస్తుంది కదా, అటు సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. దట్స్ వే 35 into 35 by 25. Now 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35. Next one 5 1s, 5 7s. So x is equal to 7 into 7. 7 into 7 means 7 7s are 49. That's why the value of x is equal to 49. So ఈ విధంగా మనకు ఓన్లీ 3 నెంబర్స్ ఇస్తే కనుక మిడిల్ వన్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. దట్ మిడిల్ వన్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ మీన్ ప్రపోర్షన్ అన్నమాట. సో 25, 35 x are in proportion. In this case the value of x will be 49. Friends, now assignment time. Here given 55 is to 11 is as x is to 6. Second one x is to 92 is as 87 is to 116. Now ఈ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసి మీకు వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్స్ని కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.